Hey guys, wanted to make you a quick video on finding combined area. I know this is one that everybody's been struggling with, or a lot of you have been struggling with, and it's always good to revisit it to see if we can understand better. So this is combined area when I want to find the area of two shapes altogether. So first we have this shape here. We're going to label that shape A. And then we have this shape here, and we'll label that shape B. So I need to find the area of A, then I need to find the area of B, and then I need to combine them or add them together to find their combined area. The toughest part on this is when they label one long side, like this one here. They have labeled this at 28 feet long, but the problem is it's part of A and part of B. So I don't ever need to use that one measurement there. So when I'm looking for a side to multiply, I've got to check the other sides and make sure that they are just part of that shape. So if I'm looking at A, I see we do have a width here of 9 and a length here of 9. So I found my two sides, and I know that shape A is going to be 9 times 9, which equals 81. I go back there and write it in it. So shape A is 81 square feet. Then come over here to find B. Again, I don't want to use this top part because that 28 is not 28 from here to here. It's 28 from here to all the way over there, so that isn't going to work for me. Instead, I'm going to use this length of 30 feet and this width of 19 feet. Multiply those together. And remember, if you multiply by something that has a 0 in it, you can drop it off and put it back in to make it a little easier for yourself. 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. Bring that 0 back. We have 570 square feet. Now I'm not done because I want to know the combined area of A and B. So I have to put together 570 and 81, and I'm going to add them, and that gets me 651. And then we label it square feet. All right, guys, I hope this helps you understand. Remember, you can rewind it, pause it, play it again.